Okay, good morning class 10. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of our chemistry, that is acid, bases and salts. Okay? In the previous classes you must have studied about acid bases. Okay? We'll discuss that today. What is meant by acid? Many things which we see in our daily life like lemon, like oranges, like milk, like apple, these all things contain acid. Okay? What is the basic taste of these things? If the milk gets sour, actually the sour milk is contain acid, that is lactic acid. The apple contain malic acid. The lemon contains citric acid. Okay? What is the basic taste of all these types of food items? You must have noticed that these all are sour in taste. Okay? Sour means khatta. They all are sour in taste. So the basic physical properties of acid can be considered as acids are those substances which are sour in taste, okay, which are corrosive in nature. Corrosive means hota hai that if that acid will fall down somewhere, it becomes, it spoil the things. It spoil the clothes, it spoil the floor, it spoils the marble. So that will be said as corrosive in nature. अगर आपके हाथ पे भी गिर जाएगा, your skin will be removed, you will get sick, you will get burn on your hands. So this will be said as acids are corrosive in nature. ठीक है? And third, chemically how we test them, that acid turns blue litmus to red. और ये हमने लैब में चेक किया हुआ है that acid turns blue litmus to red and bases turn blue litmus to acid turns blue litmus to red and base turns red litmus to blue. Here you can see, okay, the basic classification of acid. The acid can be classified into two types, organic acids and mineral acids. What are organic acids? Organic word is made for plants and animals. So the acids that can be found in plants and animals would be considered as organic acid, like oxalic acid, citric acid. Mineral acids are those acids that can be found in minerals, the earth crust, the minerals that we obtain from the earth crust. That acids are known as mineral acids. Example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. Okay? So now you'll have to learn all the types of acid present in the different type of things, like apple contain malic acid, lemon contain citric acid, tamarind contain tartaric acid, the sour milk or curd contain lactic acid. Okay? Then guava contain ascorbic acid. The sting of bees and the sting of ants contain formic acid. आपने देखा होगा कभी आपको कोई if the bee sting in your body, then you feel irritation. Okay? Why this happens? That when red ants or that bees sting on our skin, it inject acid in our body. और जैसे ही वो acid हमारी body में जाता है, it feels irritation, redness, itching. So that is because of acid is corrosive in nature. ठीक है? Now, organic acids are comparatively weaker as compared to mineral acids. Mineral acids ज़्यादा strong होते हैं and organic acids are comparatively weak. That is why we can eat that. We eat lemon, we eat apple, we eat oranges, we eat curd, everything we eat. So these acids are weak in taste, weak corrosive in nature, so weak in nature. But mineral acids are very, very strong in action. Very strong acids that cannot be even touched, that cannot be even tasted, that can only be checked by some chemical reactions or the chemical reagents that can be used in the laboratory. Okay? Like some mineral acids are H2SO4. H2SO4 is called sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid is known as king of chemical. That means सबसे strong acid जिसको हम use करते हैं in the car batteries, in the inverter batteries, जिसको आप तेजाब भी बोलते हो. That is actually concentrated sulfuric acid, and that is why this acid is known as king of chemicals. Second is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid can be used for sanitation purpose. Sanitation आपके जो आपने देखा होगा मार्केट में, this Harpic comes and some many other sanitary work come which is used to clean the sinks, which is used to clean the toilets, and these type of sanitation work के लिए, सफाई के लिए जो use किए जाते हैं chemical, that contain hydrochloric acid, and we also contain hydrochloric acid in our stomach. Yes, and what is the use of that? That it helps in the digestion. It makes the food medium acidic, that help to better action of enzymes and make the digestion better. Okay, HCl can be used for the sanitary purpose. Then phosphoric acid can be used as fertilizer. फर्टिलाइजर आपने बायो में पढ़े होंगे, फर्टिलाइजर्स जो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स होते हैं उनमें फॉस्फोरस होता है, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड होता है. फॉस्फोरिक एसिड कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर फर्टिलाइजर्स. And carbonic acid, that is called H2CO3. Carbonic acid can be used for aerated drinks, that is cold drink. आप जो cold drink पीते हो, that all contain carbonic acid. ठीक है, ये हो गए some acid. इनके uses you'll have to learn. Now the bases, the physical general properties of bases. Bases are the substances which are bitter in taste. Bitter means कड़वे होते हैं. ठीक है. Second, they are soapy to touch. आप बेकिंग सोडा को हाथ में लेके देखो, वो थोड़ा सा चिकना चिकना होता है. So they are soapy to touch and they turn red litmus to blue. These are the three basic physical property of base. They are bitter in taste, they are soapy to touch and they turn red litmus to blue. ठीक है. Some common bases examples are NaOH, and that is sodium hydroxide, which is also called caustic soda. ठीक है. KOH, that is called caustic potash. इसके अलावा we can also use that baking soda, that is basic in nature, baking powder, that is basic in nature, and many other. ठीक है. NaOH का क्या काम होता है? NaOH is also called lye. ठीक है. That can be used in many chemical, for making soap, for making washing soda, for making many type of chemicals we use sodium hydroxide. ठीक है. Second, that is potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide can be used to make potassic fertilizers and many other things. ठीक है. Third, that is baking soda. We all know that baking soda can be used for baking in the bakery products, in the biscuits, in the cakes, in the dhokla, and many other things we can use baking soda. So these are some basic examples that you have to learn, and there one example you have to learn. Okay, so these are the physical properties of acid and base. Now we'll see that what is the Arrhenius concept, what is the chemical Arrhenius concept of acid and base. Okay, so Arrhenius said that if acids are those substances which on aqueous solution dissociate to form hydronium ion. This is hydronium ion, H3O plus. Actually when acid dissociate it forms H plus. Okay? And H plus cannot be stable in water, so it combines with water to form H3O plus. Okay? It is called hydronium ion. So acids are those substances which on dissolution in water produces hydronium ion, and bases are the substances NaOH, when dissolves in aqueous form it forms Na plus and OH minus. तो Arrhenius की थ्योरी के हिसाब से the substance which on dissociation form hydronium ion are called acid, and the substance which on dissociation form hydroxide ion are called base. ठीक है. So this is the introduction of acid and base. Rest we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.